best green smoothie you ever have. This is so delicious and so satisfying and is low in calories, rich in vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, antioxidants that will help you to lose weight, feel more vibrant, more energy, lower your incidence of diseases, have better biomarkers like cholesterol, triglycerides, glycemia, less inflammation. So stay there until the end, how to make the best anti-inflammatory green smoothie, raw vegan out there. Hi, this is Dr. Corassa. I have made these 4 recipe videos that will follow on the channel almost 10 years ago, but I haven't published them. So I would like you to see the recipes and enjoy as much as I did creating them and recording them. Watch until the end and give me a comment below. Hi, this is Eduardo Corassa. I'm a Brazilian raw food chef, author, and lecturer. So today I'm going to make your raw food path a little bit easier, showing you some recipes and tips for your own use at home. And now I'm going to show you a green smoothie. Green smoothies in the raw food world are seen as really important. Why? Because the usual person doesn't have a high intake of greens. Usually when we come from cooked food, we're not used to eat too many salads or eat too many greens in a day. Therefore, a green smoothie mixing fruits with greens makes it easier to have a high intake of greens, and easier because it's more palatable when we use the sweet fruits to make the greens more tasty. So today we're making a green smoothie with kale, bananas, mangoes, and mint. So how do we start? We start by taking the leaves of the kale out of this tough inner part. Okay, so we are going to use 5 kale leaves. So we cut them a little bit. One mango, preferably the Palmer mango that's really ripe. 3 to 4 bananas, a handful of mint. We're going to use ripe bananas. Peel them and start to add all the ingredients to the blender. The riper the fruit, the better. It's usually going to give you a better recipe, better taste for your recipe. And in the end, we are going to add a little bit of water. It depends on your taste. If you want the green smoothie to be more liquid, we add more water. If you want to be more dense, we add less water. So it ranges from 100 ml to 250 to 300. It depends on your taste. And you also can, instead of normal water, you can add coconut water to have a better result for your recipe. So let's blend. Ready to serve. The best part in creating smoothies with a high-speed power blender like this one, it's that they get so creamy, so tasty, so better, like the feeling of smooth, and way better to drink. So, a powerful house of nutrition in a glass. A complete meal
made with fruits and vegetables. Delicious. If you like this video, just click it on the like button, give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can check out my website, blog, Instagram, and also check out my 2 recipe books, Culinária Frugal, Receitas do Paraíso, and Culinária Frugal, Doces Delícias. They are both being translated to English, as also my other 3 books published as well, a fasting book, a book about the scientific data about veganism, and also a book about raw foods, raw food nutrition. And stay tuned for more recipe videos, and always search for the best blender. It's an incredible tool that will help you out many times in a raw food kitchen. See you next time.
So do you like the video? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button for notification, comment below, give it a thumbs up, and also share. If you want my help as a clinical nutritionist, I attend patients online and in private sessions. I run retreats here in Brazil. I have 6 online courses, but it's still in Portuguese, and I have 10 books that are being translated to English. The most recent one is the Hygienic Fasting Nature Surgery, the Natural Delicacy Cooking Without a Stove, and the Eden's Diet, the Guide to Raw Foods, the original diets. You can order them on Amazon, on print on demand, or in Kindle, and to arrive at your home, the printed version, so you can read the best there's out there on lifestyle medicine, the modern natural hygiene lifestyle medicine. So if you want to learn and to change your daily habits to more healthy habits, more healthy life, don't forget to read and click these videos to know more.